Good morning, students. As in previous video, I continued the chapter The Bond of Love, in which I have told you how the narrator brought a baby bear from the sugarcane field near Mysore, and how he had given that baby bear to his wife, and she kept it as a pet animal, and she was happy. She loved it. Even the baby bear also loved narrator's wife. Both were happy. Slowly and slowly, the baby bear was growing and it was eating different food materials, and he was drinking different types of liquids that yesterday you have studied. I have also told you how one day the narrator had kept barium carbonate for the mouse in library, but Bruno had gone there and he had eaten some amount of that poison, and the result was that he was suffering from paralysis, and the narrator had taken Bruno by his car to a veterinary doctor. Today we will study what did veterinary doctor do. Let's see. Now all of you open your book at page number 115. Now see the side. Out came his medicine books. The veterinary doctor, when he knew that Bruno had taken barium carbonate, he brought medical books and he began to search index, and he found the medicine. See, out came his medical books, and a fabulous reference to index began. What poison did you say, sir? Barium carbonate? Oh yes, barium salts, barium carbonate. Symptoms: paralysis. Treatment: injections of just a minute, sir. I will bring my syringe and the medicine. When he found the name of that medicine in the index of that medical book, he told the writer to stay there, and he had gone to bring the syringe and medicine. A dash back to the car. Bruno is still floundering, struggling to move. Then narrator went to the car. Now Bruno was struggling to move. Bruno squeals. Now see, a dash back to the car. Bruno is still floundering, struggling to move about on his stumps. On his legs he was struggling and he could not stand, but clearly weakening rapidly. Some vomiting, heavy breathing. He was vomiting and he was breathing heavily with heavy flanks and gaping mouth. Flanks, a side between the rib and hip. Yesterday I told you. He was breathing heavily and gaping mouth, open mouth, and his mouth was open. Now the condition of Bruno was not good, as it had taken poison, barium carbonate, and its effect was that he was suffering from paralysis. He could not stand, but only he was struggling and he opened his mouth. See the next paragraph. Hold him, everybody. In goes the hypodermic system. Bruno squeals. Squeals means screams. Squeals means screams, cries. Now students, when doctor brought the medicine, he told the narrator to hold it. Hold him, everybody. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals. Bruno began to cry when injection was given. 10 cc, 10 cubic centimeter of the antidote enters. Antidote, a medicine taken to counteract a poison, to remove the poison. When this type of medicine was injected in his body, he was crying, he was squealing, screaming. Enters his system without a drop being wasted. 10 cc of the medicine was injected into his body. And 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. But students, after giving injection, 10 minutes had passed, but no effect was there. The condition was same. Another 10 cc injection. Doctor, again the veterinary doctor injected 10 cc of that medicine into the body of the Bruno. 10 minutes later, breathing less stertorous meaning stertorous breathing, noisy breathing as in snoring. Now after 10 minutes, the breathing less, then the heavy, first of all you have studied that he was breathing heavily, but now it became less and he was breathing slowly. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little although he cannot stand it. Now the effect of the medicine was on it that it could move its hands and legs but could not stand on its own. Then 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. Feed means food. Feed means food. After 30 minutes, Bruno stood on his room and began to eat food. He looks at us hatefully. Now Bruno was looking at the narrator and whosoever they are standing hatefully. He was thinking why they were looking at him. As much as to say, what? Barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? Bruno is still eating. Bruno was eating and he was thinking that what barium carbonate for such type of big bear and black bear. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of, this was the first incident. In this first incident, Bruno had taken some amount of barium carbonate and its effect was that he was suffering from paralysis and a veterinary doctor cured him. Now students, see the second incident. What happened for the second time? Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the sump of the Studebaker. Studebaker meaning even an old American car. Sump meaning even reservoir. Here I am given a reservoir of oil in a petrol engine where the oil is reserved. Now another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the stump of the Studebaker and was keeping as a weapons against the inroads of termites. Inroads means effect. Termites is small insects which eat food. Next time it so happened that the writer had kept 1 gallon of engine oil. He has taken it from the sump of the engine for the weapons to kill the termites. Termites is small insects which eat food. He had kept a gallon of engine oil to kill termites, but Bruno had reached there and he had drunk it. You see, he promptly drank the lot. Promptly means soon. Bruno went there and he drank it, but it had no ill effects whatever. But students, there was no bad effect on him. The months rolled on and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. Students, many months had passed. Many months had passed, and now Bruno grew older and older, and he became bigger than the first when he was brought there. He had equaled the Alsatians in height and had even outgrown them. Students, now Bruno had been bigger than those two Alsatian dogs, but was just as mischievous. He was very cute, sweet, and mischievous also. Just as playful, he was playing with them, and he was very fond of us all, and he was fond of writer and the children of tenants who were living in his house. Above all, he loved my wife and she loved him too. Bruno loved the narrator's wife and narrator's wife also loved Bruno. She had changed his name from Bruno to Baba. Now, the narrator's wife had changed the name of Bruno into Baba. That meaning a Hindustani word signifying small boy. That meaning was small boy. And he could do a few tricks too. Baba was doing some tricks. Bruno was doing some tricks. What? At the command, when you are commanding, Baba wrestle or Baba box, he vigorously tackled anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. Then, when somebody was coming and saying, Baba wrestle, Baba box, he was wrestling and he was boxing. Vigorously means powerfully. Rough and tumble is fighting between children, that is not serious. And he started fighting with the children who were calling him by saying Baba wrestle, Baba box. Then he was struggling, he was fighting. And other tricks what he was playing? Give him a stick and say Baba hold gun. When you are going to give him a stick and say Baba hold this gun, and he pointed the stick to you. And at that time, Baba was pointing towards you. At that time, when you had given a stick, he would point. He would point to you as a gun. Ask him, Baba, where is baby? And if you are going to ask Baba, where is baby? And he immediately produced it and cradled affectionately a stump of food, trunk of food, piece of food. Stump is trunk. Now, if someone asking him, where is baby? He was taking a stump of wood, a stick of wood in his hand, piece of wood in his hand, which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed. That he had hidden that piece of wood in a straw bed, but because he was moving it and saying that it was a baby. But because of the teenage children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept chained most of the time. But the student's problem was that because of the children of teenagers who were living in the house of narrator, Baba was to be kept chained. He was tied with chain and he was kept in chain. Now students, in this way we have studied the activities of Baba, means Bruno, how he was eating and drinking and growing older and older, and how he had been familiar with the children of the teenagers who were living in narrator's house, and how he loved narrator's wife and narrator's wife also loved him, and how one day Bruno drank some amount of old engine oil, and how he was playing many tricks with the children. Further what happened to students I will teach you next day. Thank you.